Hello and welcome everyone in YouTube. This is Variety Stick, and today's video we're gonna show you how you can fix the frozen screen, blank screen on your phone. Since the LG Q7 doesn't have that removable battery, you may face some issues by restarting the phone. So in this video we're gonna troubleshoot this problem for you. Maybe you don't need to go to the store or do a warranty or anything like that. So let's find out how you can fix that problem. Now at this point my phone is not frozen, but you will be doing the same thing if you have that problem. Here is the power key, should be on the right, and the volume down key, it should be on the other side. So what you have to do, these two buttons at the same time for like maybe 5 seconds to 6 seconds maximum, and keep hold. And even here you get the pop message tells you that the phone is going to restart by doing this. But maybe if your phone has the black screen or blank screen, you may not get this message. But that should fix the problem, and that should save a lot of time for you. And I wish you guys found this video helpful. If it did, thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this in the future on Variety Stick. Hit the bell to be notified every time I post a video. Thank you so much everyone for watching. As always, we'll talk to you in the next one.